Hello all, welcome to Kiran Academy. This is Atul. In previous session, we talked about how to create variables and how to print its value. In today's session, we'll be talking about predefined or inbuilt function in Python. My dear friends, let me tell you that beginning or starting of Python is very simple. As a beginner, we must know few inbuilt function or predefined function of that particular technology. So today's motto is to see those inbuilt functions which are very basic and which are required for any fresher or any beginner of the course. So in today's session, we'll be talking about three inbuilt functions. One is print function, another one is type function, and third function is id function. Let's begin. So let's switch to my whiteboard. First, we'll talk about print function. Now, many of the time we need to print our information or variable value on console. So, as the name itself, printing something. So, we can print variable as well as any text on the screen. So, how to use print function? So, print in bracket, you can write variable name, the value that you want to print, comma, another variable, suppose second variable, and so on. So you can print as many as variables using print statement, or simply you can print any string like the Kiran Academy. So I want to print that string on console. So just simply print and then the Kiran Academy. That is the basic print function. Second function is type function. So let's see what is type function. So as we know that Python is dynamically typed language. So when we declare a variable and if we put some value in that variable, Python virtual machine automatically detect its data type. But sometime as a developer, we need to find what is the data type of that particular variable. So type function will tell us what kind of data is stored in that particular container. So suppose in our case, data is 10, that is integer. So if I print type of A, this will tell us what kind of data type that A container is storing about. Let's consider one more example, B, and B is suppose the Kiran Academy. So it will create one container with the name B, and in that suppose the Kiran Academy is stored, and I want to know what kind of data type is stored inside that container. So again simply I will use print function and then type and type of B. That's it guys, it will print the data type of B. So that is our type function. And the third function is id function. So let's see what is that id function. So as we are creating the variable, and suppose I want to see on which memory location the value stored. So to find the memory location of that particular variable, we'll use id function. Suppose we have variable A. I want to know on which memory location this A is stored. So simply what I will do, I will print id of A. So Python will tell us the memory location of that container. So that is what the id function is guys. So as a beginner, we must know the three functions. One is print, another one is type, and the third function is id function. Let's write the code for the same by using VS Code. So let me open my VS Code. So already I have created a workspace. I just open that workspace in VS Code. And simply what I will do, guys, I will create variable a is equal to 10. If I want to print its value, simply print function, it will display the value of a. Then if I want to know what data type that a is storing, so I will simply print type of a. And if I know the memory location of a, so simply I will print id of a. That's it, guys. Let's run this code. So you can see on my terminal, the value of a is 10. The type of a is integer, and you can see the id of a means the memory location of a or memory address of a is this number. So we can see the memory location of any variable, guys. That's it. This is for the day. In coming session, we'll be talking about one more important inbuilt function, that is input function. Till time, bye bye, good day.